What's up, Storm Gang? Today we down at the marina. Going for a nice little stroll along the water. You see a fish?
Definitely fish. That's the Instagram thing.
He probably just sunbathing.
Boy, if you
No.
Look at this baby.
Oops.
You would jump in there after him if I dropped him?
Of course.
Would you be able to save him this time?
Would I be able to save him?
Huh?
Comment down below if you think I wouldn't be able to save him.
I can't swim.
We know you can't swim.
So as y'all can see, we are officially back. You know, we're gonna try to get y'all 2 videos a day, at least 3 times a week. But we're definitely back. Like I said in the last video, we've been going for a while. But Storm Gang, we are here, and we hope that we still have y'all support. And we're gonna give y'all more content. So,
Storm Gang.
like
It's
I
the
said,
lightning.
today we at the marina, you know, and just
You know, getting off our...
viewing some waters and some boats, man. You know, you gotta manifest these things to come into play. And when you manifest things, they will happen. So definitely, we're just here. And as y'all know, she's an island girl, not the West Indies. The Pacific. So she loves the water, and so do this boy right here. He was scared at first, and now he loves the water. We don't know about that one down there.
We're not getting in that water.
But yeah, not this water. Just came out here, check out a few things. I said we're back, man. New content. Definitely gonna get our walks back in, start exercising and doing a lot more things. I'm gonna leave here, probably take them to a park up and play on the swings and the slides if it's not too crowded. Gotta be careful, COVID is still a thing, and there's been a spike in numbers again, so if you out there, just be safe. Wear your mask. Only reason why I don't have a mask right now is because it's really just us, kinda. It's like, you know, a person 7 feet, 8 feet away over there, and another person back that way. But not really too many people out here, and we're just walking. But I'm about to definitely, when we get to a more crowded place, put my mask on. I still wear my mask when I go into stores, as you should, and just try to protect yourself and be safe. We still here. Huh? And hand sanitizer. Look at this one. Love his pouches. Sabi?
Baby, you want some help?
A lot of people wondering about my hair, but when you're comfortable with self and when you feel good, you look good. And when you look good, you feel good. So I feel like I look good, so I'm gonna continue on with the hair like that. And I feel good, so I'm gonna continue on with the hair like that. You feel me? Storm Gang. ahead. So over it. I can't make this up, man. I can't. Say Bella. She's so busy looking at her brother. Look. Come on, baby. You're gonna hurt yourself. Woo! You having fun? Sadie first time on a swing.
Baby, look! The ocean! Oh! Cute.
It's like their first time at the park with us. On a park like this.
Yeah, with kids. That swing makes me nervous.
Go higher. Higher! Higher! Woo! Woo! Uh-oh.
Yay!
Yay! Woo! Woo! Huh?
Flipped over the crib before. Can you guess it? He almost flipped over the crib. I had to catch him.
Can I touch him?
Yeah, you can touch him. Come on. Look. Where you going, man? You okay? Look at her over here in the corner, sitting down on Sadie. Well, I gotta sit here and chase around Ocean.
He's lost! He's broke out! Broke down, I think we gotta break that! We gotta break that! We gotta break out! Hey, no, we have to fight! We have to fight! We have to fight!
You could give me every little thing I'd ever want, but I'd never have enough till the day I had it all. You can give me every little thing I ever want, but I'd never have enough till the day I had it all.
Oh, I see what you want, baby, but it might be just a little more than I can give you. Oh.
You guys keep misbehaving, no shower. Okay, where's your mom? Okay, you still be dirty. Put the car in my house. Yes. Give me the key. Did they steal the key? No. I didn't steal nothing. You see, lying, bro. You have the key? You have the key? Yes, you have the key. Yes, they keep it. Oh, the fish shower. Never call that officer a liar.
Oops.
Yeah, you are a liar. They're allowed to call you that.
Whoa. Go ahead, get up. You got this.
You don't want that. You can have this. Yo, what's up?
Whoa. He just keep going back to the part where he gets wet at. He loves this water. Oh shit.
Mama!
Where you going?
Mama!
Oh shit.
Mama!
Well, that's it. I'm up out of here. We had fun. We went to the marina today and we took the kids to the park for the first time. Ocean played in the sprinklers, on the swings, on the slide.
Other
kids was playing with them and Sadie was just annoyed.
She was just like, ugh.
But that concludes this video and we up out of here. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and remember, Rain and Day
It's here to stay.
Peace.
It's so strong.